Okay, so on this slide, what you are going to end up doing is you are going to give yourself a grade. So I want you to grade yourself on the 3 slides that you did before this. So you're going to be looking to see if you have these certain things. So there's 6 things that I'm asking for you to look at to see if you have them. And if you don't, you can fix them so then you do have them. Okay? So for bound-in, what you would do is you would look at this. Okay, so you need to have conflict. And you need to make sure that you follow the format. Blank wanted blank, but blank. So you would go back to bound-in and you would check to see if yours did that. If you did do that on bound-in, you would take this and you would highlight it. Okay? So you highlight the things that you have done. All right, then you have rising action or resolution. I don't care. It doesn't matter which order you go in, but you're going to do that for each thing. So if on bound-in you have the resolution to conflict and it explains that the character got what they wanted, so you would check and you come back here and go, okay, it does, then you would highlight it just like this again. Okay, now let's say you go to connection. So right here, and you look at it and you go, did I do that? And you go back to bound and you look at it and you go, oh, wait a minute, I didn't do that. Do not highlight it until you fix it. Okay, if you end up fixing it and then it does match, you can go back and highlight it. Once you get done looking at whatever it is, so if you got done and you only had 2 to begin with and you go in and you fix it, then you could get 6 out of 6 here. Okay, but if you don't go in and fix it, I'm going to see that you put a 2 here because you only have 2 things highlighted. Okay, you're going to do that for each of the stories. So you have bound-in, then you have Clark the Shark, and One Girl's Dream. You're going to be grading yourself on what you did on each particular one. When you end up doing that too, I also have an example for each of the 3 short stories here. And these are my Q3 skill practices that I filled out. So if you want to see mine, because maybe you're struggling a little bit and you need to kind of see what's going on, you can click on this and it will take you to something that I filled out and you can see what's going on. Okay, so you can use that to help you if need be. And I have that for each one. Okay, that's kind of what's going on here. You're just giving yourself a grade to see how you did on everything. And you're just checking to make sure you have these items. If you don't have the items, don't highlight them. Unless you go back and you change what you have here to meet the highlighted section. So if you go back and you change it, then you can go and go, oh, yep, I did. I changed it so there is a connection. It matches. So then now I can highlight it. Okay, so you're going to do that for all 3 of them. And then that's all I have for this.